In this video, I will show you top 3 viral text animations that are super easy to create and takes just a few minutes to achieve in DaVinci Resolve. First off, we have this flicker animation, so let's start creating it. Bring in a text plus in the timeline and change the title to something custom. After that, you can select your favorite font. For this video, I am using Intertite. Press this button right here to open this clip in the Fusion page. So now we are inside Fusion and we can start creating the flicker effect for this text. The usual way might be to go to the shadings tab and keyframe the opacity and turn it up and down frame by frame. But that is really inefficient and tedious. So instead, we will use a shortcut for this. Right click on the opacity and go to modify with, then choose perturb. That will give you the flicker animation at the base level. Then switch to the modifiers tab to gain control over it. Here you can increase the speed, adjust the wobble, the strength, or change the randomness of your flicker effect. And that was basically it. So unfairly easy, right? That's so easy that it feels illegal in a way. Now for the second text animation, we have this elastic jump. So let's create it. Again the same thing. Bring out a text plus, change the title and the font, and open this in the Fusion page. For this, we have to mess with the center Y of the text. So go to the layout tab, but we are not going to use the normal keyframing. Instead, we will use anim curves. If you don't know what anim curves are, don't worry. I just learned to use it instead of going deep in the logic, so you can just follow along. By the way, if you don't want to create all these animations on your own and save time for projects, you can get my viral text animation pack from the link in the description. It gives you 11 viral text animation presets that you can drag and drop into your projects. And it's just a one-click install. Right click on the center, go to modify with, then choose XY path. After that, switch to the modifiers tab and remove these keyframes. For this animation, we just want the Y of the text, so right click on the Y and go to modify with and choose anim curves. As you can see, we got this default animation from it, but we will change this. Take the playhead to the start of the clip. This is where the animation will start from, and change the offset. The offset is used for the starting position of the animation. Then go to the end of the clip and change the scale. The scale is used for the ending position of the animation. Now to make this animate like an elastic band, open the curves drop down and choose easing. Then select elastic for the outro of the animation, like this. And here you have your animation. And we don't even have to open the spline tab for this because it's already taken care of by anim curves. But just one more step that will make this look way better is adding motion blur and increasing the shutter angle. So for that, go to settings and add motion blur and increase the shutter angle. That is it. Finally, we have this slide up text animation. Follow the exact same process for the edit page and quickly get inside the Fusion tab. Right click on the title box and choose follower. Go to the shadings tab in the modifiers. Now, firstly decide the frame you want your animation to end and take the playhead there. Let's say frame 100. Then scroll down to the position drop down and put a keyframe on the center X and Y. Then reopen the follower. I don't know why it gets closed by putting the keyframes, and this time put a keyframe on the opacity. Now take the playhead to 0 and bring down the Y of the text and turn the opacity all the way down. Go to timing and choose left to right for the order and make the delay 2.5. Switch to tools, go to settings and turn on motion blur. Finally, open the spline tab, select everything and right click to choose out cubic as the easing method. Let's go back to the edit page to see how the animation is looking. Make sure to check out the viral text animation pack from the link in the description. It's super easy to use and saves a ton of time. I'll see you in the next one sooner than you think.